आज म तपाईहरुलाई एजुकेसनको यो च्याप्टर 2 को मेन पोइन्टहरु सबै लेसनहरुको मेन पोइन्टहरुको मेन आइडियाहरु म तपाईहरुलाई मेन पोइन्टहरु मेन आइडियाहरु म तपाईहरुलाई आज बताउने छु। खास गरी विशेष यो च्याप्टर 2 मा चाहिँ एजुकेसनमा चाहिँ यो 7 वटा कुराहरु 7 वटा लेसनहरु चाहिँ पर्दछन्। मैले तपाईहरुलाई पहिले नै बताइसकेको छु, म फेरि पनि यसलाई बताउने छु। 1 मा छ स्कुल इज ब्याड फर चिल्ड्रेन, जोन हल्ट, हाउ द वेब डिस्ट्रोयज द क्वालिटी अफ स्टुडेन्ट्स रिसर्च पेपर्स, डेभिड रोजनबर्ग, मल्टिपल इन्टेलिजेन्सेस एन्ड इमोसनल इन्टेलिजेन्स, द टिचर हु चेन्ज्ड माई लाइफ, निकोलस गेज, लेट्स टेल द स्टोरी अफ अल अमेरिकाज कल्चर्स, इयोन मेरी युभिल, कोयोट एन्ड द क्राइङ सङ, हेरोल्ड कोरल्यान्डर, फर्स्ट ग्रेड स्ट्यान्डिङ इन द हल, चेरिल सेभाग्यू। यो चाहिँ 7 वटा चाहिँ एजुकेसन भित्र चाहिँ यो लेसनहरु चाहिँ पर्दछ। आज म तपाईलाई यिनै लेसनहरुको बारेमा सर्टकटमा तपाईलाई मेन आइडियाहरु म तपाईलाई बताउने छु। नम्बर 1 मा रहेको छ स्कुल इज ब्याड फर चिल्ड्रेन, जोन हल्ट। यहाँ मेन क्वेशन 1 मा रहेको छ what major criticism of formal education does Holt discuss in text? Holt's major criticism of schools include the following. यहाँ मैले पोइन्टहरु मैले यहाँ लेखेको छु। Schools convert students natural intelligence, curiosity, confidence, resourcefulness, independence, passion and energy into passiveness, laziness, dependence, indifference, boredom and low self-esteem. 2 मा रहेको छ they discourage experimentation, creativity and originality. त्यसैगरी रहेको छ 3 नम्बरमा they teach students that learning is separate from living, that students cannot be trusted to learn and no good at it, and that learning is a passive process. 4 मा छ they neglect students needs and interest and how no respect for individual differences. They teach students that to be wrong, uncertain, confused is a crime, and as a result students starts to dodge, bluff, fake, cheat. यो चाहिँ क्वेशन 1 कै पोइन्टहरु रहेको छ 5 वटा अझै पोइन्टहरु त्यसैगरी रहेको छ they teach students not to interact with other people and to live without paying attention to anything going on around them. They are almost always ugly, cold, inhuman. They encourage dishonest suspicion and anxiety. They provide little opportunity for students to learn about the real world. Question 2 मा रहेको छ what are Holt's recommendations for improving the quality of schools? Holt's major recommendations for improving schools include the following. 1 मा छ abolish or modify compulsory school attendance, take students into the community to learn about the real world firsthand, bring more of the real world into schools including people from different professions to talk about what they actually do, encourage students to work together and learn from each other, encourage students to learn to evaluate their own work and detect their mistakes and correct them, eliminate grades, exams and marks. त्यसैगरी क्वेशन नम्बर 3 मा रहेको छ what is the main point Holt is making in the essay? In the essay, School is Bad for Children, John Holt argues that formal education damages students by converting their natural curiosity, energy, confidence, and creativity into passiveness, laziness, indifference, and low self-esteem. In order for true learning to take place in schools and for students to retain their originality and childlike sense of wonder, certain fundamental changes that encourage active learning and interaction with the real world must be made. त्यसै गरी यहाँ तपाईहरु लेसन 2 मा हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ हाउ द वेब डिस्ट्रोय द क्वालिटी अफ स्टुडेन्ट्स रिसर्च पेपर्स डेभिड रोदनबर्ग क्वेशन 1 मा रहेको छ व्हाट आर रोदनबर्ग्स मेजर क्रिटिसिजम अफ स्टुडेन्ट्स यूज अफ द वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब इन राइटिङ रिसर्च पेपर्स रोदनबर्ग्स criticisms of students use of the world wide web for their writing research include the following. One much decline in the quality of writing, critical thinking and originality of thought. Two, my use of outdated sources and that consist of articles and web links but not in-depth commentaries found in books. 3, my use of unreliable sources. 4, my use of graphics that look impressive but often bear little relation of the paper topic. त्यसै गरी तपाईहरु हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ 5 मा रिलायन्स अन एडभर्टाइजिङ फर इन्फर्मेसन वर्सेस रियल इन्फर्मेसन यूज अफ र्यान्डम superficial research methods versus careful analytical logical work and synthesis of resources. Laziness and decreased attention span, increased plagiarism, decline in the use and quality of libraries, lack of time for revision of papers and reflection and acquisition of knowledge. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन नम्बर 2 मा रहेको छ why does Rodenberg think that much of the fault for the declining quality of his students research papers is his own? Rodenberg believes that the decline in the quality of students research papers is not only the fault of the students and the World Wide Web but of teachers. He states that he and other teachers need to spend more time teaching students how to read closely, think critically and assess and synthesize sources. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन 3 मा रहेको छ what is the main point Rodenberg is making in the essay? In the essay, How the Web Destroys the Quality of Students' Research Papers, David Rodenberg maintains that the quality of students' research-based writing and original thoughts has been declined due to an excessive reliance by students on the World Wide Web, a medium that encourages quick random research rather than assessments, analysis and synthesis of print and electronic sources. The responsibility of improving students' writing lies both in the students themselves and in teachers who need to help students develop their reading, critical thinking and research abilities. आजलाई यति नै आउने भिडियोहरुमा म बाँकी रहेको टपिकहरु बाँकी रहेको लेसनहरुको मेन पोइन्टहरु मेन थिमहरु म ल्याउने छु अन्य भिडियोहरुमा म तपाईहरुलाई भन्ने नै छु बताउने नै छु तबसम्म मेरो यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गरिदिनु होला शेयर गरिदिनु होला अनि मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब पनि गरिदिनु होला।